Thanks again for joining us. In this segment, we're going to talk about an interesting little product called an indoor dryer vent kit. Not in every situation can you vent to the outdoors, which means there's got to be a way of trapping all that wet lint that your dryer tends to expel when it's turned on. So we've created a product which really is very simple. It's sort of ingenious. It comes with a bucket that you put water into. If you put 2.5 inches of water into it and then close it down as such, you've now created a trap into which, as the hot air blows in, the water catches the lint. So we'll simply fasten that on. It comes with ducting that is UL approved. We'll tighten that product with a releasable cable tie, and that now gets fastened onto the wall, and you would turn the dryer on, and of course that water will catch the lint that your dryer expels. After using your dryer, you would then remove that, take the water out, dump it, fill it up with water again, and then you're back to operational again for the next application once you put water in.